So today we have a Remington Model 700. This is a varmint special, chambered in 308. It features this nice bull barrel. You can see there, if it'll focus for me. It's a nice thick barrel, very heavy. Comes in the normal BDL stock. Just features that nice barrel on there. Action is very smooth on this guy. It's practically new in box, manufactured in 1985. I mean, it looks like it came out of Remington's factory yesterday. It's in great condition. This rifle is going to go onto our website for a short amount of time. So you can go on there, make an offer, or buy it outright, or wait till it hits Gunbroker, usually about a week. It'll hit Gunbroker, and then you can try your luck in the auctions. Again, Remington 700, 308, varmint special.